Mercedes has released a teaser image previewing the new sedan and wagon 2022 C-Class. The teaser image is a side profile shot of each car, with the sedan in front of the wagon. The wagon sits a bit taller than the sedan, which could hint at the high-riding all-terrain version that's been caught out testing. Powertrains will be kept to 4-cylinder gasoline engines, as the new car doesn't have a long enough engine bay to fit a 6-cylinder. That includes the more powerful AMG models, which will likely come with a hybrid turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that could make more than 500 plus horsepower. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to see the reveal here at DPC Cars.